In this video, I'll be showing you how to deal with zip files and PDF files. So normally after you have purchased a product or you have downloaded a file from the internet, then some of the files are in zip files and also some of the files are in PDF file. So normally, as you can see here, this is winzip.com. This is a WinZip utility, and this is the one of the most popular utilities on the internet that people use to unzip or zip files. But as you can see, actually, WinZip is not a free software, and it is not an open source. You have to pay for it, especially for the version right now, version 11. You have to pay for the WinZip, and it specifically says over here, contrary to popular belief, WinZip is not a free software. Therefore, we'll find other alternatives. There are many open source softwares or applications, and one of them that I'm currently using is this. It's 7-zip.org. So you can download it from here, 7org. So in order for you to download this, just click on this link. Then this is a exe file. Download it to your computer, and then just install it to your computer. So I've already had it installed on my computer. So let's proceed. So this is a zip file. Okay, so in order for you to download a zip file, you can just do it normally by clicking left click on your mouse and just download it to your desktop or to whatever you want. Optionally, you can also download zip file by right click on your mouse and choose this save link as. So this browser that I'm using is Mozilla Firefox. So for Mozilla Firefox browser, you have to choose this save link as the option. But for Internet Explorer, okay, now I'm on my Internet Explorer. For Internet Explorer, right click, the name will be save target as. Here you can see. So just click and just choose where you want to download. So this is for Internet Explorer and this is for Mozilla Firefox. So next, PDF file. So this is PDF file. How do we download PDF file? You have to right click your PDF file, like here, right click on your mouse and choose save link as. Again, this is a Mozilla Firefox browser, so save link as, and just download it to the desktop. We are done. Similarly, going back to Internet Explorer, PDF file, just right click, choose the save target as option here, and just download it to your desktop or wherever you want. So next, let's proceed. So how do we unzip the zip file? So taking into account that you have already downloaded and installed this zip-org file, so this is how it will look like. So I just right click, this is a zip file, right click, and you can see this zip file here option, and just choose to extract here if I want to extract it on my desktop or on the same folder. So I just click here once, extract here, and you can see want to replace a new file because the test file here is already present. So I just say yes, and it will be unzipped. Or just download this to show you. Okay, I right click again and extract here, and there it will be extracted here. So how do we zip the file? So in order for us to zip the file, let's say this is the file that you want to zip. Just right click on the file and choose the 7-zip option here, and just click on this add to archive. Click once, and you can see I'm given a lot of options here. So you can name it to others if you want. Let's say test2, name the zip file, then the archive format, see the extension that you want. There are a lot like tar, gzip, but normally this is the most popular zip file for a normal file. Compression level, you can choose whether you want the fastest, fast, normal, maximum, or ultra, up to you. Similarly, you can also choose the compression method. You can choose the dictionary size, which in this case is a permanent fix, and the word size. And you can also even enter a password if you want. That means if you enter a password, to the zip file, nobody can open the zip file or nobody can unzip the zip file unless they have the password. So once you have everything ready, just click on OK. And you can see the file has been zipped. So optionally, we can also double click on zip file by left click like this, double click, and it will open the zip file manager. You can see here, this is the zip file manager, and this is the file that is inside the zip. So if let's say there are many files inside one zip file, it will show all the files over here. Let's say there are 10 files, and there will be all the 10 files will be here. So I'll show you an example. So let's say I want to zip few files like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I just right click and go to this 7-zip here and add to archive. Same thing like we do just now, and then just name the name that you want the zip file to be. Let's say testing 1, 2, 3, and again all the options I remain it as default, and I want to zip the file to desktop. So I go to here, desktop, file name. Okay, so this is the path, and then I just click OK, and let's go back, and you can see there, this is the zip file here. So if I want to unzip the file, again you can do it by right click, or if just double click, and it will open all the zip file manager. So like I want to show you just now, remember there are a few files over here. These are all the contents. So if you want to extract all these files, just click on this extract button. Sorry, you have to choose all these files, then go to extract button, and you can choose where you want it to be extracted. So this is desktop. If you want to choose other location, just click here and choose other locations. So I just click OK. Let's go back, and you can see all the files have been extracted. Okay, let's proceed to PDF files. So how do we open a PDF file? Firstly, you have to have a Adobe Acrobat Reader. So you can go to Yahoo or Google and just type this Adobe Acrobat Reader. Click on all the web, and you will be presented with few searches. And you can see this is the adobe.com website, the official website. So just click here. This is where you download the Adobe Reader, Acrobat Reader, and it is free. As you can see here, this is the current, is free. Just download this. Click in here, download this, and just install it on your computer. So I already have it installed on my computer. So you can see this is a PDF file, for example. So in order for me to open the file, just double click on the file. Okay, this is the Adobe, you can see it. Now then I can read the file. Or optionally, I can also open the file or a PDF file from the Adobe Acrobat Reader itself, like this. Just click here, open, and search for PDF file. So let's say I open this another file, Day Job Killer Review, and open it, and there you go. So this is how you read your PDF files. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in other video series. Goodbye.